In this video, you're going to learn how to organize your website because you have several pages that you're going to be putting content into. So far, you've used headings and paragraphs to make your content look organized and easy to read. So now we're going to figure out how to group things together a little bit more. Content is just all the stuff on your web page, like the text and the pictures. So go to one of your pages that you haven't added anything to yet. So not the home page or your index, but like mine. Okay, I'm going to go to Hickson.html, that page for mine. And then in your code, you're going to look for the main head, like where it says main. And then right underneath after main, you're going to add in the tag article. Now, an end tag for article is going to show up. You're going to delete that. At the bottom, just above the closing main tag, this is where you're going to add in a new line, and it's going to close out article. So you're going to do /article. Now, in here, in this main section, I would start with a header 1. So like mine is the Hickson Esports team, because that's the title of what this page is about. After that, I'll hit enter. I think I'm going to add in a header 2 and practice and games on Wednesdays and Thursdays, because that's when we practice in games for esports here at Hickson. So I think I'll include that, and then I'll hit enter. And then if I want to add in some other text, maybe a paragraph, so it would be smaller text, I could put 6th, 7th, and 8th grade players, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. I can put what game that we're going to be playing. Okay, and then after my paragraph, so you can see how it kind of changed my text and made it a little bit smaller, I'm going to add in an image. So I'll do the image tag, @img src equals quotation marks. And then in those quotation marks is where I'll put the file name title. So we're playing Super Smash Brothers, so I'll make that my title there. And then I'm going to put alt because I want this to be accessible. I'm just going to put what the screen is showing. Alt, quotation marks, Super Smash Brothers game screen. Showing what it's an image of. And then I'll change the width. Width equals maybe 200 pixels and / and then a caret. So then that's my code. This is what my screen would look like. Now I'm going to look at my article that I have here. So I've got article, and then this is all of my content that's in between it. So after my header 1, I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to type in section. I'm going to do the section tag, okay? And then if I want some of this all in a section together, like before I've got, I move on to something else. So I'm going to do end tag there. Maybe I want this to be all one section. And then if I want to add in another header 1, I can put teams, and then it'll start it like off into another section. So maybe if there's a list of the Missouri teams that I want us to include. So esports teams. And then at my header 2, then I can do a paragraph tag. Like there's Maplewood, Richmond Heights Middle School we'll be playing against. So I'm going to list those teams, kind of like that. So basically these new tags, like they make containers, they make your website friendly for screen readers. It gives you control over your layout, how you can see it, and it lets you be really creative with your styling. So in the next video, I'll show you how you can use these.